Okay, it's time to talk quail. So this is a very dead Caturnus quail. It's what they look like when they're full grown. And this one will be fed. I ordered this from Owatonna, Minnesota, where they grow thousands of these. It belongs over here in my freezer. And it'll be taken out and fed to falcons later on. But anyway, these are the eggs that we put in the incubator, and you saw a video clip of that. And so there are 100 eggshells here. And if you take a look at these shells, you got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80. 80 of our eggs hatch. That's a really good hatch rate. Some eggs are never going to hatch because they're not fertile. Of the 20 that I specifically measured, these two are the only ones that didn't hatch, number 9 and number 10. So more on that later when I actually ask you to make a graph. That'll be your job, is to take some data, some weight change over time of these quail eggs, and then make a graph. Over here on this table, I'll give you the tour of your baby quail chicks. So these are your quail chicks. Yeah, those are your quail chicks right there. So we have 80 quail chicks. And you can take one home if you want. So we've got them in aquariums, and what you'll notice, here's some more. Oh no! So anyway, you can see another aquarium. We have about, well, we've got 4 aquariums. We've got about 20 birds per aquarium, and they've each got a heat lamp, which you can see, and they've got water, and then we sprinkle food, and the fact that they walk on their food and it moves causes the other quails to jump on that food almost like it would be an insect. So anyway, they'll live in here for a number of weeks until they get a little bit larger, and then at that point we'll try to find homes for them, hopefully with you maybe. If not, then we'll raise them up to full grown and actually move out of this lab and go into my falcon lab. I have a lab with 3 chambers where the falcons aren't in the falcon lab in the one room, and they'll finish growing up and be full size in there. But anyway, your job is going to make a graph. It's going to be to make a graph using Google Sheets, and I will demonstrate that later. But I did want you to see the quail that are hatched and what went on over the last few weeks to give us the data that I'm going to give you. So that's the quail.